13-year-old son who went off to college and ended up in an emergency room because of the energy drinks. And I just, I'd heard of that before. I'd never met anyone and they told this kid he's going to need a pacemaker because of the overconsumption of the energy drinks.
Wow.
And it's frightening. And so we wanted to be very responsible with the amount of caffeine and the amount of ingredients in there, because especially if they're water soluble, Ash, it'll pass right through most people, right? So we wanted to give you the appropriate dosage, so that we feel comfortable looking you in the eye and looking at my family in the eyes, and I feel like you guys could drink 3 of these in a day and still be under your recommended limit for caffeine or whatever.